here. This is supposed to be the most beautiful beach in Key West, Florida. I love Key West. You want to walk in the water on the shoreline then? There's a big ship. Today we are at Fort Zachary and it is a beautiful beach. It is so pretty. The sand is white and the water is turquoise. The rocks kind of hurt your feet by the water, so I would recommend wearing some kind of sandals or shoes in there, but it's beautiful here.
Trying to get this. It's crazy. Look at it.
Wheelchairs? Don't go. Come back, Rooster. He doesn't want me to video him. He was just showing me his butt. That's all I got to see. Oh, look so cute. Door handles. We're at Old Town Mexican Cafe and they have New Mexico red chili here. What do you know? Of course, tonight I'm eating tacos and the corn with the cheese and the chili powder. I love that. New Mexico red chili right here, supposedly. We'll see. Oh, there's people parasailing out there. Oh, we can go on the pier. So beautiful.
I push you in for YouTube.
That's the Truman Avenue. We are about to eat at Sloppy Joe's in Key West, Florida. Oh, there's coconuts up there. So beautiful here. Today we're going to be taking family pictures and that's why we're all dressed in white, and the beach is beautiful. The sand is white. It's so pretty.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah,
that big moth. There's some flamingos in there. So it's my last day here, guys. I'm so sad to leave. I love it here. I want to live here. I want to move here. You will see me in Florida next. Just kidding. I can't afford it. It's super expensive, but it's beautiful here. The humidity isn't that bad. My hair didn't get too frizzy. The temperature, it's perfect. It's about 80 degrees every day. It's not too hot. I love it here. There's so many things to do. I highly recommend coming here. Thank you for following me around. Till next time. Bye.